Hello everyone, this is Dots Locks. Welcome to our channel and welcome to a challenge lock picking video. Today's lock comes from Hozza, or Mr. John Doe on YouTube. Now this challenge lock, has two names. It's got LightWeight on one side. No, I think it has one name, sorry. It's by Hozza, but it says LightWeight and Pocket Hero. So I don't know if it's Pocket Hero LightWeight. I don't really know. Number 17. So there is a stipulation to this challenge lock pick that we must use this H&H jackknife with the tensioner that comes with it. That goes in that side, sorry, like so, in there. So let's give this a shot, see if we can get it in the vise. That would be nice today. A full set or core movement then. Bit tricky this number, I'll be honest. Just as he said that, I got it open. I was struggling to feel the that last bit, the last couple of pins there. I lost all kind of feedback, but we'll take it. We got it open in about a minute and a half, so I will take that all day long. Thank you very much to Richard Jones for sending me this. Another one bites the dust. Thank you, Hozza. And a bad little pick. That's it from me today. See you later.